we have a brand new Goodman. This is not my first time seeing one of these, but this is definitely the closest I've ever gotten to one of them. And it looks like the logo's on the back side, unfortunately. 2023 4-ton GSXN4. 13.8 SEER 2 rating. And over here we have a pane teardrop running. It's got a Copeland recip. Sounds pretty nice. We also have a Guardian right here. 2014 3.5 ton. But I wanted to get this film more than anything. And the paint is from 2001. I believe it's a 3-ton. So yeah. Cold but not really sweaty. Another Tech 2000 right there. Alright, here we have an old commercial Trane central air conditioner. It's got a Climate-Tough reciprocating compressor in there. This is a metal tag one. 1990 5-ton. It is a straight cool unit. And it has not been running. Anyways, I was thinking I should get a video on this thing, so thanks for watching.